What does a telescoping dump trailer do? Well, let's kick the tires. Hey guys, welcome back to the Virtual Tire Kicker series. It's Leroy with Happy Trailers. Today we're looking at the DT model from PJ Trailers. It's the telescoping dump trailer. So this model specifically is 14 foot long and it's got the 2 foot tall sides and it's a gooseneck. So we'll start at the front, get this thing done. You're looking at a gooseneck bulldog coupler here. PJ's blue cold weather harness with the dual wall contacts here on the 7-way RV style plug. Pretty standard bulldog coupler. Got your safety chains right here, breakaway cable right here, your spare tire up here in the neck. All right, looking up here, you've got your deep front toolbox. It's wide, it goes all the way in between the risers. Lots of space in here. You got your hydraulic system right here, and a little room right here as well for extra chain, binder storage, whatever you need. And here's your remote and a 110 volt charger right here as well. You can test the battery level and plug it in while you're at home or at a job site. You've got two 10,000 pound jacks. Coming around and checking out the rest of this. So here's the cylinder on the trailer. It's a 3-stage telescoping cylinder. We'll bring it all the way up in a little bit so that you can see all 3 stages. Coming around here as well, you've got the support bar. If you ever need to do any kind of hydraulic work on the trailer, support bar is integrated. You've got an 8-inch I-beam main frame right there. Got little steps here on each side. LED lights all around. And while we're talking about frame, the gooseneck on the trailer is a 12-inch I-beam. All right, so the DT is standard on the 7,000 pound axles. That's an 8-lug setup with a 235/80 R16 10-ply radial tire. That's grease axles, slipper spring suspension. Gotta get under there a little bit as well. You got the diamond plate fenders. And as I mentioned, this is 2 foot high sidewalls on this model. Here it is. The DT has 2 foot, 3 foot, and 4 foot high side options. We're looking at the 2-footer right here. All right, on the rear gate, you've got the 3-way gate. It's a split spreader, so it'll open barn door style. And then you can also have it hinged right here at the top so that it can spread loads if you ever need to. We'll open it up here. You got your door holdbacks right here. And she's locked in. All right, now looking here again at the sides. This is PJ's Uniwall sides. You can see here it's a full one-piece formed side. This is 10 gauge on the floor and the sides. So with the Uniwall, there's nothing welded on, less chance for rust. Strength is built in. They're pretty sweet. You've got B-rings on all 4 corners as well for your equipment. And here right below, you've got the ram pockets as well. I'll pull out the ramps here in just a bit. One-piece floor. It's tilted just a little bit, but let me pull out a ramp. All right, the ramps on this trailer are 6.5 foot long, completely made out of 3-inch channel, cross members included. They are 16 inches wide. You've got the formed hooks, super heavy duty ramps. Coming around the side, you've got stake pockets all along the sides as well for easy tie down points. Your tarp kit is here in the front. It's your crank style tarp. And coming underneath it a bit here, you're looking here at 3-inch channel cross members. These are on 16-inch centers. You can see the ramp pockets as well. And a monster step right here on the driver's side. Let me close these doors and then we'll work the spreader feature as we bring the bed up. All right, so for the spread feature, you just got the handle right here on the driver's side. If you bump that, see it's got the option here not to spread, and there's chains inside the toolbox, so you can chain it right here and here on both sides, and that way you can regulate just how much it opens to spread your dirt. Let's pick it up. Sweet. All right, so that is fully lifted at this point. All 3 stages of the cylinder are extended. And here, I just want to show you a little bit on this spreader gate. So she's wide open right now. And once again, you got the chain holders right here if you only wanted to spread a certain amount. Very easy to use. Get a little better look now at everything underneath the bed. And 3-stage cylinder here. Now, one of the great things about the telescoping cylinder is that it's gravity down. So, push the button and you don't have to run the battery and the pump in order to bring the dump bed back down. So that's definitely a nice little handy added feature. All right, lastly, let's check out the VIN sticker on the trailer. Once again, we're looking at 7,000 pound axles and in a gooseneck configuration, the GVWR is 15,680 pounds. Now, also 10-ply tires here. Now, this trailer empty weighs about 4,500 pounds, and with that GVWR, that leaves you a remaining payload of right at 11,200 pounds. Thanks for kicking the tires with me on this DT dump. We'll see you for the next one.